Arnold Schwarzenegger. He became involved in local politics.
Well, the returning officer are coming back to the podium now to give us the final vote.
Henry Limpwick,
Conservative Party.
2,000 votes. Paul Skid,
Labour Party.
2,111 votes. Arnold Schwarzenegger,
The blowing people away with an Uzi 9mm and saying Zoli in an Austrian accent party.
no votes.
Yes, the beefy Austrian not taking that too well.
When disputing voting figures, don't be tempted to use extreme violence to alter the course of democracy. Demand total recount.
Excuse me? Did that man over there vote for me?
No, I don't think so.
I'll be back.
Total recount. General Noriega swears by it.